Are you sick of all the how to make money online ads and the guy selling you a new opportunity leading to a free training that is really half an hour bragging about him and then the next 90 minutes is him pitching you the product? I also want to show you how these gurus can easily fake their income results. So let me just open up the Stripe portal. I'm going to show you an old account that we barely use. It accepts a few payments a month, so it's not completely empty. Let me just open up my second factor authentication, paste the code, you know, the classic stuff that gurus can make to claim that it is real, that is not a screenshot. And then, you know, I can see 15,000 euros, which is not a big result. How about we do this? How about we right click, go to inspect, and then we simply find the amount right here. And I'm simply going to turn that into 2,015,000. There we go. And I hit the big X button. Now it says 2 million. And now obviously the guru makes a cut. You haven't seen the cut, did you? And now I can even move the site and I can select the text. So definitely not a screenshot. And guys, I made money, secret method. Check out the free training. And it's typically along the lines of, oh, this is new, nobody knows about it. Well, guess what? I've been very successful in the recent years. We've built #1 business in my own niche. And I'm going to tell you how to really make money. I don't have a course for $2,000. I'm going to be very real and I'm going to keep it very humble because I started off as an immigrant. I spoke zero English from Slovakia and I just made zero money. For the first 3-4 years, I just made zero. And I know how it is. I'll tell you the hard truth. The only way to make money sustainably is if you learn a skill set that solves a problem that is a good problem to solve, therefore providing value to the marketplace. Okay, and I really urge you guys to get a pen, get a paper, write it down. The only way you're gonna ever make money sustainably over a long time, this is not Bitcoin, this is not AI, chatbots, Shopify, dropshipping, automation, any of that crap. Because none of that really works. And the people who make money are typically people who are selling that course. The only way to make money is to solve a problem by applying a skill that you've developed. Personally, for me, I deeply believe this is technology. Okay, we live in an over technology age. Okay, everything is techie, deal with it. If you're not a techie person, chances are you should look into that. And I deeply believe the easiest way to get into tech is by learning from a video game, from learning from something that is fun. I've been addicted to Minecraft, pretty famous video game. If you have kids, chances are you've heard about them. If you don't have kids, maybe you're young, right? Maybe you simply didn't want to have kids, whatever. Maybe you've heard about it yourself. Minecraft really helps you to learn coding. That was very inaccessible for a couple of years. It was very difficult. Nowadays, it became very easy because there's a bunch of frameworks. One of them we developed that helps people to get into coding. And I can now show you on the screen. This is a very simple Java application. It's a real Minecraft plugin with real code which you can post on real websites such as GitHub, which is effectively logs all the history and all the changes to your code so that when you later want to apply for a real job, not a scammy business opportunity, but a real job, because that's what you actually need. Okay, sorry to break it out to you. Not everybody can be a magic businessman. Your employer is going to have a look at what you've been doing. And if you tell your employer, hey, so, you know, last year I spent the last money that I had on an Amazon, God knows what else course, and I paid the guru $5,000 to make him richer. And, you know, I also paid a Bitcoin course. He's not going to hire you, right? But if you tell the guy that's about to hire you, this is my code, this is the programs, these are the applications. Now, the good news is you can actually publish these Minecraft plugins on a marketplace which is not very crowded because of the nature of the video game. There isn't many people. My app, my plugin, got over 500,000 downloads when I published it, and back in 2013 to 15. I can't know exactly, many years ago. Right? You can actually publish it. Now you have a hard result, and now you have a hard skill which solves a problem, which 80% of is the same that you need to apply to any other coding job. Because in nature, all of these other coding languages, they share the same syntax, they share the same logic, regardless if you want to learn Go, if you want to learn web development, if you want to learn blockchain development, banking, whatever you want to learn. Python, right? That one is promoted as being easiest. I would advocate Java is the easiest one because you can learn that by playing video games like Minecraft. My company, I'm not going to sell you the course that I teach to business people. Unless you're making $50,000 a month, you don't need any of that courses. Okay. My course in Mind Academy is actually for young people. We have kids from 14 years of age up to 25. We also have a bunch of older people, but primarily, you know, the kids are between 14 and 25. And it's just $200. Right? And I deeply believe that by learning that skill, you can actually turn yourself into a person of value. So instead of you chasing the next opportunity and the next opportunity and this one and that one, and maybe this one is going to work, maybe this one will make me money next month, maybe this one is going to make me money this week, none of that crap works. The only person who's ever going to get rich is the guy doing the thing and selling you the course. Okay? I actually almost break even on my old company, Mind Academy, because we're just dealing with kids and the pricing are not very high. If I wanted to make a lot of money, I would sell you a course for $2,000. I don't care. I don't care, because I make vast majority of my money helping business owners for 10 grand plus, right? So again, the real skill is the one that solves a problem and provides value to the marketplace by turning you into an asset. I deeply believe the easiest way to get into that is developing a techie skill. I deeply believe that coding, 2023, is the #1 techie skill that you can develop. Previously, the barrier to entry was really high. If you didn't have a natural talent, you were out. If you had a poor memory, you were out. A lot of people could not learn it, a lot of people couldn't do it, and they were right. Now, there is no excuse. Because we have video games, we have all these languages, we have all that framework stuff. It's literally done for you. 80% of that is done for you. We are no longer in some 1995 coding paradigm. The world has shifted. It's become very, very easy. However, a lot of people still have limiting beliefs. And I'm not going to teach you any, again, this video is not to show you any opportunistic way to get rich, because there isn't. The way I became rich, I learned to code, okay? I built Mind Academy hard, day in, day out for years. I actually did place all of my plugins on that marketplace. Many of them failed. Some of them get results. Then I started to make maybe $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month selling Minecraft plugins, spending about 2 hours a day managing them, which I think is a very good opportunity. If you start making Minecraft plugins, spend 2 hours a day managing, and you're going to take home, you know, $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000 a month, it's not a lot of money. Again, this is not a get-rich-quick opportunity. But if you don't have a job or you want to get a better job, this is an excellent supplement to your income, right? So that's what I did first. And then I discovered that I was old. I was getting older. I was, I don't know, 21 or 22 years old, still pretty young, but you know, get a point. And I said, it does not really fulfill me, so I want to take a step back from that, and I began teaching. And I sort of wanted to build that course for children that asked me how I did make these plugins as a legacy. And it turned out that, you know, we had a lot of people coming in, and I said, okay, I'm just going to keep it as a hobby. So now I teach people on how to get that coding skill, how to learn Java, how to make Minecraft plugins, how to sell them and everything. And then I got my Mind Academy to a certain level, and then I upgraded, you know, myself again by teaching other business owners on how to do the same, right? Ethically, and also by having some moral guidelines and principles. Wow, no one talks about that nowadays, right? So this is the only way. There is no other ways. Don't believe in these ads. Again, if you're going to click any of these ads, probably there is going to be an ad before this video claiming any free training. Why do you have brain if you don't use that? Use your brain. I would love to curse in this video. I can't, because YouTube is going to limit the reach. Guys, use your brain. You have a brain for a reason. Use your brain. Get a skill. Okay? Yes, we have Mind Academy $200 course on how to get yourself the skill set. There is professional instructors twice per week giving you one-on-one attention. You can't get that you cannot really get that anywhere else. But this video is not yet for Mind Academy. I just mentioned that as an example. You can take any route you want, as long as it's ethical, genuine way to develop a skill set. Throughout that way, you will also develop your character, discipline, consistency, integrity. These are all characteristics that I'm looking forward in a person that I'm hiring. Like, I'm not going to hire someone that has a golden mouth. Like, oh, blah, 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 free training, blah, 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 make money. But when I tell him, show me your results, he's like, he's out. I don't speak with these people. They don't even, like, if someone tells me I can't send you my code because I signed NDAs, you know, non-disclosure agreements and stuff like that, they're out. I don't care. Recap this video. learn a skill, forget about all the make money online stuff. The best way to learn a skill, I believe, it's technology. The best way to get into technology is by learning coding. The best way to get into coding is by learning it through video games. And I believe that one of the easiest way is to pick a Minecraft video game. That's it.